Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Audi A7. So from any screen here, it's on the sat nav at the moment. If we go to menu, just move that out of the way, go to menu, turn it to telephone, click on telephone. You've got settings in the corner here. Now each instruction in the corner corresponds to one of these buttons at the side of the rotary control. So that settings there is this one here. So click settings, you've got telephone settings and Bluetooth. So we need to turn that down to Bluetooth, click on Bluetooth. You've got Bluetooth, Bluetooth discoverability, audio player, find Bluetooth devices, bonded Bluetooth devices. So we need to turn that down to bonded Bluetooth devices. Click on that. You see Barry's iPhone Pro there. Click on that. Delete Bluetooth device. If it's not connected to audio and you want it to connect, you do exactly the same process and just click on connect there, but delete Bluetooth device. Do you really want to delete it? Yes, I do. Bluetooth device has been deleted. So we'll just do it with that phone there. Delete. Yes. May as well have a clean bill of health there. Delete again. Yes.